period. If you're new here, my name is Misa Laraine. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we're on the road to 30K. In today's video, I'll be installing this wig from LUVME Hair. This wig is a 13x4 HD lace wig. The length is 22 inches with an adjustable strap in the back for extra security since this, will be a glueless install. I did bleach the knots and pluck the lace off camera as well as straighten the unit with my EAP flat iron. I'm putting the wig on my head right now just to, adjust it to my liking. It's a little bit too big for me. They gave me a medium instead of a small, but I made it work. The strap in the back helped a lot, along with the adjustable straps in the bottom or back of the wig. I am showing you guys where the wig hits me. I am 4'10", 4'11"-ish. I love this hair. It's super pretty, super flowy, no shedding. I have not gotten any shedding, and I feel like it's a really good beginner wig, especially if you're not a fan of lace glue, and the lace is really easy to work with and the hairline looks super natural. I did zoom in a couple clips for you guys just to see like what it looks like up close. But yeah, if I miss anything or if I forgot to say anything, I will come back on here. This is going to be a really short video. You literally don't have to do much to this wig with it being glueless and all, so I'll let y'all enjoy the video. Don't forget to check out the description box for the link to this hair as well as my links to my socials. Bye. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. This hair is so bomb. Like, I love this hair. This hair is fire. And I'm so happy that it's glueless, because that means less shedding from the front, so you get more wear out of this wig since it's glueless. I don't plan on putting any glue or gluing it down on my forehead. This is perfectly fine. It's super secure, and I am so happy with the way it turned out. So if you are interested in LUVME hair, everything will be in the description box below, as well as my links to my social media. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Keep on feeling, but you can't break my broken heart.